Your sliding door connects you to the outdoors, but should it also let in noise, dust, and insecurity? Introducing the Pro sliding door, engineered for seamless protection and unparalleled ease. It starts with our premium aluminum handle, a single smooth action activates our multi-point suspension lock system. This creates a superior seal efficiency, blocking our external noise, dust, and drafts, ensuring your home stays quiet and comfortable. Need fresh air without the pests? Our lightweight Mosquito screen is incredibly easy to place. The powerful magnet closer ensuring it shuts perfectly every time, keeping insects out effortlessly. Every component works in perfect harmony. Our integrated hardware system is designed for strength, security, and long-lasting performance. Experience the smooth, quiet operation that only precision engineering can deliver. So what does the Pro sliding door bring? Total peace of mind, a healthier indoor environment, and the freedom to enjoy your space your way. Pro, redefine your living space.